everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a 99-cent only store haul and as well as a few Dollar Tree items. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I found, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first items that I'm gonna show you guys is these beautiful heart-shaped bowls. My little helper here. These bowls, they only had 2 of them, so I went ahead and grabbed them both, and this is going to be perfect for Valentine's Day. I also found 2 of these beautiful mauve pink plates. You guys can't really see the color on there, but it's really pretty. They only had 2 of these as well. And then I ended up getting 2 of these burgundy color. It's not really burgundy, but there you go. I got 2 of these because I'm planning on setting them down on my table like this. Let's see. And then I want to put the bowls on there like that, like this. Huh? Okay, next is this beautiful little mug I got with the little spoon on there. And then it has a little tag that says, "A gift just for you from me." And it says "to and from." This was only $1. I thought it was such a good deal. It's really pretty. I purchased this one that says, "I love you, you monster." Here you could see the color a little better without the light. Okay, from Dollar Tree I got this ring holder. These are lighter than the one that I had purchased a while back ago. This one, I think it's a pineapple, or it could be a little cactus as well. I'm not too sure. And then I also went ahead and bought this one. Oh, there goes my little helper. Thank you. I also bought this body wash that smells really, really good. Thank you, assistant. I've never used this before. If you guys have and you guys liked it, please let me know in the comments below. I'm really excited to try this out. It's a pretty good size for $1, right? I bought 2 of these Command basics. Okay. Oh. Okay, so here it is. They have some small hooks on there, and I use these a lot throughout my apartment. I've used these on my side of the refrigerator, and I hang up my oven mitts there, as well as in the bathroom. I use this for my baby's towel. Since we only have 2 towel holders, I use one of these to hang up his towel. So these are very, very handy. And I got 2 of those packages. I also got this pair of socks. I am always cold. My hands are always cold. My feet are always cold. So when I found this pair of 3, I went ahead and picked it up. It was the only one they had like this. They also had the higher ones, but I just like the low cut ones. So yeah. Then I found this little lady here. At first I thought it was the Evil Queen, but I'm pretty sure she's Ursula, right? It doesn't have a name, but I'm assuming it's her. Ursula from Little Mermaid. That I got were these beautiful LED tea light candles. These change colors and they say they are waterproof. So I'm looking forward to using these in one of my DIYs. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys soon. Sebastian, get out.